Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Clyde Kennard from Toledo, Ohio. The name of my company is Kennard Enterprises, LLC. We are a full-service building services firm. We do everything from commercial cleaning, landscaping, painting. We do it all. I know this sounds like a commercial, but I came here to the SuperCharge My Growth with Pam Washington to basically get some tools to really go back and take my business to the next level. I feel that I have acquired the necessary skills that will enable me to become a multi-million-dollar company within the next couple of years. And so with Pam's help and with my motivation and inspiration, I feel that I have what it takes to take my business and my divisions to a whole nother level. So thank you, Pam Washington, and Build My Cleaning Business for all your expertise, your mentorship, as well as your concern and compassion for entrepreneurs to help them take it to the next level. I'll be there. See you at the top.